Your transformations question here, we're going to have to enlarge it. It says by a scale factor of a half. But it's also given us the centre as 1 along 1, not 2. So mark the centre on, and now I'm just going to count along from my cross to one of the vertices of this shape. So how much have I gone along and how much have I gone up? So if you count along, I think you'll find that you've gone along 10. Now the scale factor is half, so half of 10 is 5, and I've gone up 2, and half of 2 is 1, so I reckon that vertex is going to move to there. Now I'm going to do the same for each of my other shapes, but I don't need to recount because I can see the base is 4, so now the base is going to be 2 wide. It was 6 high, so now it's going to be 3 high. So once you've got your first corner down, the rest becomes quite easy actually. So it's 8 along the top, so now it's going to be 4 along the top. And now it's just a question of joining them up. Okay, and I am going to check I'm right at the end using my, I should have done this with a pencil really, but I'm going to draw on the construction lines just to have a quick check that I'm right. So it's looking quite good, it feels right. So if I do the construction lines, I can make sure that the shape's in the right place, and then I'm going to measure a few lines just to make sure it's the right length. Okay, so I'm going to see they can go all the vertices can go through. Yeah, that corner is going to match up with that corner. Nice. That corner matches up with that corner, and the final one matches up with its own corner as well, so that's looking pretty good. Now I can do one more check. If I measure any lengths in my lines, I can compare. Now one should be half of the other, so you can see that here it's just under 7 and just under 14. That's about right. I'll do one more check. Look, that's about 5 centimetres, the other one's 10. So it looks like the scale factor is a half. I'm pretty confident about that question. Right, so let's look at the examiner's report. It says answered well. Good. Okay. And the mark scheme. I think there's only 2 marks for this question. Not very generous, but you should be able to knock it off in 2 minutes. No trouble at all.